What's up, folks? Ontarian Hawkins here, the passive income guru here. Hey, as many of you know, I've been trading Forex for quite some time. Actually, I'm getting back into the game, but I've recently come across a nice indicator, folks, a nice Forex trading indicator that gives you some very good signals and is very accurate. Okay, I'm going to show you some of these arrows right here. Okay, especially these white arrows. So anytime you see these white arrows, you see the consistency of the trade. Now, when you see a yellow arrow, that means the trade is bound to go up, or if it's pointing down, it's bound to go down. And then a white arrow is pretty much confirmation of the trade. So you look at the consistency. Me personally, I just caught this trade right here. Actually, I got in around right here because I saw a reversal candle. Okay, and I got in, and this right here is an indication that it will continue to go up. I'm a scalp trader, so when I see profit, folks, I'm pretty much out. Okay, so you see here, white arrow, boom, went down. The white arrow hasn't even showed up here, but I profited pretty good here. I made around, in less than 15 minutes, about $75, folks. And I'm getting really used to this. I had to get the hang of it. It took me about a couple of weeks to get the hang of it and see the right setups, and it works nicely. Okay, the percentages that I traded today, I pretty much made, wow, let's see, I made well over 50% on my account today. Okay, just to give you an idea of my profit. So I'm going to leave a link below so you can learn more about the tool. Also, you can inbox me on Facebook, or shoot me a comment below this video to learn more about this tool and how you can take advantage of it. All right. So this is a part of phase 4 in our passive income portfolio. And you definitely want to get your hands on trading, folks. Get this skill in your back pocket, because it can pay you for years and years to come and help you build true wealth if you know what you're doing. Okay, this tool will help. All right, so get with me, Ontarian here, the passive income guru, checking out. Talk to you later.